friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Open HTTP redirect module in DVWA at the high secret level. But don't be afraid. This high secret level is not as difficult as you will be thinking. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's get started. Let's access DVWA first. And we need to set the secret level to high. Submit. And then we can navigate to Open HTTP redirect. You know, redirect is one function of PHP. When the application execute or run this function header, this application will put location into the response. And when the browser receives such a response, the browser will automatically connect to the destination. Okay? So now, the page is very similar to the low and medium secret level. But there is some sort of a difference. We can know this by viewing the page source. So why this level is not so difficult? Because we can access its source code. In the real engagement, it's not so often. Okay? So here, the same line as before, we'll check get array to see whether this key exists. Although the value for this key is empty. And if the condition is true, and we'll have another check. We'll check the value of this key redirect contains the string info. If the condition is true, and then we'll run the function what I explained it earlier, header. This will put location into the response header specifically. Otherwise, we'll get the, for example, like 500 error. So how to do? I think this will be very, very easy to bypass. We can put this, string info PHP behind, or yes, after like the malicious site. Here for demonstration, I will use Google. Okay, so let me show you what I mean in action. And let me launch Bubble Suite because we need to do some manipulation or manipulating request. Next. And we can make this Bubble Suite window larger. At the top, you can see proxy tab, and then we can enable intercept option. So now let's go back to the browser and click any of these two links. Here, if you put, because this time or this high secret level will not check absolute path, so we can put like HTTPS. Maybe we can send this to repeater module, and we can try to access Google. Okay, and send it, and then we can get this error. you can only redirect to the info page. Why? Because of this check. We'll check this string is included or is contained in the redirect value. So just a set can be easily bypassed. Let me do it now. For example, like Google. And we can, for example, pass the parameter. You can use any name like JSON and info PHP. Of course, this will not exist at all on the Google website, but this doesn't affect our, penetration. It will be redirected to the Google site. We can forward. Yes, we are redirected to Google site. And maybe we can disable intercept option because Google site involves many requests. And now let's go back to, yes, you see, we are in Google already. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.